How to turn on email read receipts in Gmail. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Gmail. Then, open New tab and then search streak.com. Press on Get Started at the top right. You will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Add to Chrome, which will add extension to your Chrome. Then press on Add Extension at the top. Then open your Gmail and then press on Compose at the top left. After you've pressed on Compose, write email, add person's mail, add subject and what you want to add on your email. Then at the bottom you will find dots, which is beside a and plus sign. Click on it. You'll find I like option. Make sure I like option is colorful, which is yellow color. Then press on Send. After you pressed on Send, reload your Gmail, and when you go to Send Files, if other person views your mail, you will find I like button, and then beside that it will show you how many seconds ago they view your email. And this is how to turn on email read receipts in Gmail. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or wants to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.